This is not a real high gloss rifle stock, so I cut that shine off of it with 4/0 steel wool. Now this finish has been drying for many days, probably 8 or so, something like that. I cut that high gloss finish off of it with 4/0 steel wool with the grain, very light, moderate pressure. And now I'm going to wax it with carnauba wax and bring just a little luster back. Not super high gloss, but just a little tiny bit. I'm not intentionally waxing inside those threads. I mean the checkering. Whenever I get in there, I'll brush it out with a toothbrush. It won't really hurt it to be there, but I'm not putting it in there on purpose. I wish you could feel it. You can't feel it, so you just have to see it. But it is slick as a baby's butt. This is my favorite finish. Not super glossy. It looks like an old gun that's been taken care of well for a lot of years. But it doesn't have that real high gloss plasticky shine to it. Now I'm going to put it back together. Seems like I remember this action has to go in before the trigger guard because the trigger won't slide through the guard, I think. she's done. That's about a cute little rifle. Remington 700 308 youth rifle converted to a Mannlicher. Full length stock. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.